The choice between LED and projection has to be intentional, and there are distinct properties of each. Welcome back to the LED revolution. Last time we talked about the brightness required for different applications, so if you missed it, definitely check it out. In that video, I briefly mentioned that nits, the unit used to measure the brightness of LED, are not the same as lumens, another unit used to measure brightness, but I didn't go into any detail. So here we go. Nits, also referred to as candelas per meter squared, are a unit that measures the brightness of a light source. That source is luminance. Lumens, on the other hand, measure illuminance, or the light bouncing off of the surface. Think of it this way. The brightness of the sun is measured in nits because light emanates from the sun. The brightness of the moon is measured in lumens because the light you're seeing is reflecting off the surface of the moon. So, why is this important? Well, it makes conversations about comparing LED displays to projectors very interesting. The brightness of an LED display is measured in nits because you're looking at the light source directly. It's right there in the name of the product, DV-LED, or direct view LED. The brightness of a projector is measured in lumens because when you view a projector, you're viewing the surface that the projector is projecting onto. This is important because there is not a direct conversion from lumens to nits. It's like trying to convert inches, or millimeters, to gallons. It just doesn't work because you're talking about two very different things. There are charts out there that try and provide approximations, but ultimately, all it is an approximation. The quality of light is very different. The quality and type of image are very different. This is a short and sweet topic, but it's an essential differentiator in the space. Stay tuned for our next topic, understanding IP ratings.